Why your network marketing business is vulnerable if you do not build online. Part 1. Let me put it bluntly, in today's age, you could lose your network marketing income overnight. If that is, you're not building your network marketing business online. And despite what many industry dinosaurs would have you believe, you shouldn't place all your eggs in one basket.
Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. It's a pleasure to be with you once again to share pure value as usual that will help you move your movement forward to the next level. In case you're listening for the first time, welcome to my platform. My name is Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help network marketers and business owners with tips, tools, and strategy to build a solid network marketing business online and to be able to know their targeted market and prospect using online business tools that can be used on all the social media platforms to be able to generate leads and make more sales. Welcome to my platform. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's another lovely day again to share pure value. Today we have a great topic today. I titled my topic is why your network marketing business is vulnerable if you do not build online. Part 1. Why your network marketing business is vulnerable if you do not build online. Part 1. Welcome to my platform once again. Let me put it bluntly. In today's age, you could lose your network marketing income overnight. If that, you are not building your network marketing business online. And despite what many industry dinosaurs would have you believed, you shouldn't place all your eggs in one basket. We'll talk more about what this means in a moment. First, if you are watching this video today, you probably know that old school network marketing is tired, overdone, and simply ridiculous, given the ultra connected possibilities of prospecting via social media. But before we listen any further, it will be irresponsible of me not to address one of the biggest hurdles many networkers face, which is the very company they represent. Your company matters. Yes, they are. But there are companies that are friendly to building online. But quite frankly, there are many companies that are not. And some companies are simply not going to be a good fit for building online. Especially if you are going to build a brand or sell other things outside of your network marketing distributorship. Your company may want to exert control over what you are doing. So you must be able to identify that before you start. Always make sure your business decision, knowing that some companies simply do not want you to build online and will fight you every step of the way. So choose wisely when it comes to your opportunity. It's very important to choose wisely when it comes to your opportunity. Again, some companies may have rules or policies that are friendly to building online or building a brand or building other businesses while you are signing up with them. But for other companies, their rules vary and can even be extremely arbitrary. Things are not always as they appear. And it's a sad fact that they can throw their rules out altogether and say, hey, we just don't like you. So you are gone. All network marketing companies have the power to terminate you at any time if they choose to do so. Basically, they have more lawyers and money than you do without naming names. All you have to do is look at the biggest company in this industry globally and see how they have gone after their members viciously and drowned them under a lot of debt, showing nothing more than just the legal process. They don't even go all the way to court in these cases. So the bottom line is this: if you are only doing network marketing, you don't have true independence. Regardless of your company's policies, you don't own anything. You are not independent. I repeat, you are not independent. If you look at the Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, you are basically an employee. And to get to the other side of the quadrant, you have to actually own the business, and you must create your own products or services and do your own marketing. You have to own your own corporation. And with network marketing, you don't own anything. So you are not even self-employed. Because if somebody is self-employed, like Keltrapi, they have a building or an office or trade equipment, their intellectual property, regarding how they run their business. A corporation, so they own something. In network marketing, you don't even have that. You could argue that in network marketing. You could argue. You are stuck between being an employee and being self-employed. You are an employee because essentially you are getting paid commission for sales that you make. Thus, you are not a salary-based employee, but you are a commission-based employee. You are just a salesman. The bottom line is that you don't own anything. So that being said, think about it. It's very important we think about it. How do you create real security in your network marketing? That will be for part 2. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for part 2. If you would like to learn more about working effectively, thinking critically and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp and discover how to build your business using attraction marketing. Click on the link below or click on the learn more on my fan page. Opt in your name, email to get it. You will learn about the specific tools and techniques we use to connect with prospects online, so you never have to act desperate, chase down or storm down prospects, or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. This method allows you to build your business automatically, where prospects reach out to you instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy or overly aggressive to build a successful business. So if you are ready to get started, click on the link below to get the 10-day online recruiting bootcamp today. Thank you so much for tuning. God bless you.
Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members. Thank you for tuning in.